Crafter is Remington's Beard Boss Style and Detail Kit. It gives you total control of your style so you can look your best every day. Here are some tips that will help you get the most out of this premium beard trimmer. Keep the trimmer plugged in for 4 hours until it's fully charged before the first use. Always wait to recharge until the battery is completely drained. This will help the battery maintain its full capacity and runtime, which is an impressive 180 minutes with each full charge. That's 3 full hours of runtime, giving you months of powerful trimming and detailing. And there's even a quick charge function that gives you enough juice to finish styling after just 5 minutes of charging. The trimmer has an extended neck to make it easy to trim around your jawline and the edges of your facial hair. If you've got a thick beard, you'll love turbo mode. When the trimmer is on, just hit the power button again and the blades get a burst of energy to take care of thick growth in no time. The kit comes with an adjustable, length-altering comb that has options for 9 different lengths. Find the one that fits your style and lock it in. You also get 6 fixed-length combs if that's more your style. The Crafter is waterproof, so you can trim in the shower or cut hair that's wet. It also makes cleanup incredibly easy. When it's time to clean up the details, attach the mini foil shaver or the nose and ear hair trimmer to finish off the job. Whether you have a full beard, mustache, goatee, or you're going for a style that's all your own, the Beard Boss Style and Detail Kit can keep it looking great. Remington, how the world gets ready.
The new Braun all-in-one trimmer MGK5080 for ultimate precision and 100% control from head to toe. The device has a 5-minute quick charge for a full trim and gives you 100 minutes of cordless trimming. The set provides 4 combs for 13 length settings. With the 3 to 11 millimeter comb, you can trim your beard from short to medium length. For a stubble look, 1 to 2 millimeters, use the 2 fixed combs. For longer beards, you can use the long comb ranging from 13 to 21 millimeters, and the 2 combs can also be used for hair clipping. Use the blade for accurate lines and edges. For a clean shave, the Braun kit also includes a Gillette Fusion 5 Pro Glide with Flex Ball technology. For smaller areas like around the lips, the detail trimmer helps you create accurate lines for ultimate precision. Reach for the ear and nose precision trimmer to remove unwanted hair in sensitive areas. The MGK5080 also includes a body grooming attachment to get rid of all unwanted hair below the face. The device is fully washable. And for storage or traveling, you can use the included soft bag. The Braun MGK5080 for ultimate precision and 100% control from head to toe. Braun, designed for what matters.
Panasonic.
Oiling the blades reduces friction and keeps them from pulling and snagging. Conditioning with oil also prevents rusting, which can happen with Wahl's high-carbon blades. A drop of oil at the corners of the top of the blade, as well as the foot of the blade, is all it takes. Then turn the clipper on to help work the oil in. This not only protects the blade, it also increases its performance.
My beard's a free spirit. It does its own thing.
My beard is a maturing, manly warrior. It's not totally full, it's on its way there too.
My beard changes a lot. I might have a fade, I might have a goatee.
I like to keep my beard trim, organized, and precise.
I try to let my beard match whatever's going on with my hair that day. When my hair's looking sharp, I want the beard looking sharp too.
At the drop of a dime, I might want a certain look. It's good to have a styler that's versatile.
I like that there's no pulling and tugging. It's easy to use. Easy to use is the most important thing.
When my beard is looking fresh, on point, that's honestly when I feel the most authentic.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do.